Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max camera flashlight not working after iOS 26 update. Let's get started. Solution 1. Go to Settings. In Settings page, tap on Screen Time. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, disable Content and Privacy Restrictions. Solution 2. Open Settings. In Settings page, tap on General. Scroll to the bottom. Here, tap on Shutdown. Drag the slider to power off the device. Wait for 20 seconds. Press the side button to power on the device. Solution 3. Go to Camera app. Click on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. Make sure flashlight is enabled. And it's not in auto mode. Now see. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.